Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this graphic and want to know how you could draw that in Corel Draw. I'm thinking it's going to be really easy. It doesn't look like a circle, it looks like an oblong. So I'm going to just make an oblong circle. I am going to go to Contour Tool and I'm going to contour it just one time. Now we have that kind of that shape, maybe. I'm going to go ahead and go to Object and break the contour apart, which really doesn't matter in this case. But I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to take a 2-point line, holding down the control button so it's perpendicular and hit P. And then I'm going to fill it in, both of them, with blue. I'm going to move them out of the way. The color does not matter. Now I'm going to grab our graphic and get rid of it. And I am going to offset these like that. And because they're perfect, they're going to fit on the bottom too. I'm going to Control G to group it, then I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to move that one down to there, but then I'm going to change the color and I'm going to use a green like they did. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate and make the new one blue. But now in just a second, you'll see what's going to happen. If we keep going this way, it'll work. Just change that one to a yellow. And then Control D and change it to a orange. And then Control D and I don't know what that purple. Let's go down and get a purple. I know the colors don't matter. But that's how you would do it. Now, maybe a quicker way if you were doing a lot of different ones, you would go to like that 3, and then you would Control G group that, and then Control D and duplicate it, and then move that down to there. And what's happened, I didn't do a very good job. What's happened in just a second, I think if we Control D again, well, it's going to work. Well, we don't want that many. I was going to think that we needed to move some of them around, front minus back. And, you know, so it'd really be easier to do it one at a time. But that's personal preference. So let's go back to where they were ungrouped. And just take that corner node and put it there. And, well, this is back when I was. So there, let's ungroup it all. Now let's grab that one and hold down the shift and grab that one. Control G to group it, Control D to duplicate it, and just move it to right there. And we'll use different colors. And because you Control D, it'll just keep making the same exact movement that your last one did. And I've got too many normal colors, but let's put a black in there. So that's how you do it. The only thing I kind of noticed in the picture, and mine does it too, it almost looks like they're scalloped, like they're circles. But somebody probably did draw this in some program like Corel to get that effect. Now, I don't know what it's going to be, because you could very easily ungroup all this and then grab just that half side and put it up there, and you just have a bunch of rings. So you get, you know, I don't know what they're doing with it. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.